Hello friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back. I was waiting for you all. I have a special thing for you today. It's a secret. Come on, join me. Please come in. I have Ahana with me. Ahana, say hello. Hello. As you all know, today is Mother's Day. Mother's Day is very special. Indeed, every day is like Mother's Day. Mother is the heartbeat of the home. Without her, there's no heart throb. I want to make this day very special for my mom. I am going to dedicate her a poem. She will love it. Do you want to hear it? Here it goes. Mom, for all the times that I forgot to thank you, for all the special little things you do, for all the words that sometimes go unspoken, I need to say, I love you, Mom, I do. I love you for the way you stop and listen, and for your support throughout the years, for teaching me the meaning of compassion and sharing in my triumphs and my tears. And if at times I may seem ungrateful, I want to say, I truly hope you see that nothing you have done has been forgotten, and day by day you mean more to me. What do you say? Do you think my mom will like the poem? I got another surprise for her. I am going to make chocolate truffle. Speak after. Do you want to make chocolate truffle? Wait. Do you want to make chocolate truffle? Come on, let's go. We are going to make chocolate truffle with ingredients available at home. 25 chocolate Oreo biscuits, 2 chocolate bars, 2 tablespoons of milk. Separate the cookies and the cream. All done. Now we have to grind the cookies. Melt the chocolate. Add 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate into the grinded Oreo cookies. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it until it's a dough. The dough is ready. Roll the dough into small balls. We have 8 cookie balls. Keep the cookie balls in the fridge for 10 minutes. I made 8 balls with the Oreo cream. Keep the Oreo cream in the dough and fold it. Dip the balls in the melted chocolate. Decorate with some sprinkles. It has come out very well. I would like to dedicate this to all the mothers in the world. Wish you a happy Mother's Day. Let's see how it looks inside. Wow, it looks amazing.
Ready?
Me and Hannah are going to taste it first. It's so yummy. Please try it at home. I'm going to give it to my mother. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.